Hello, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to increase your maximum upload file size in WordPress. Just follow the simple steps, so let's start. Notice, my maximum upload file size is only 2 MB. To increase that, go to Plugins. Click Add New. Then search maximum upload file size in the search bar. Click on Increase Maximum Upload File Size plugin, then click Install Now. When done, click Activate. You can click Settings, or go to Settings and hover to increase maximum upload file size. Here you can choose which upload file size you want. Here, let's try 512 MB. Then click Save Changes. Let's check. Notice it changes from 2 MB to 512 MB. Now this time, let's change it to 1 GB. Then click Save Changes. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.